Hello everyone, and welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we're diving into the world of productivity with the Qulose Surface Pro 8 keyboard. A wireless Bluetooth keyboard designed specifically for the Microsoft Surface Pro 9, 8, and X series. Let's see what this keyboard has to offer. First off, let's talk about compatibility. This keyboard is tailor-made for the Surface Pro 9, 8, and X, ensuring a seamless integration and turning your tablet into a mini laptop for enhanced productivity on the go. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its magnetic detachable design. It's incredibly convenient for those who are constantly on the move. Plus, with a wireless range of up to 33 feet, you're not tethered to your device, giving you the freedom to work wherever you please. Now, let's talk about the typing experience. The Qulose Surface Pro 8 keyboard features a full mechanical keyset with ergonomic scissors switches, providing a comfortable and responsive typing experience akin to that of a traditional laptop. Say goodbye to cramped typing on your tablet screen. But that's not all. This keyboard also comes equipped with a precision touchpad, allowing you to fully control gestures with native Windows settings. And here's a neat trick. You can easily lock or unlock the trackpad by pressing FN plus Alt keys. Another thoughtful addition is the built-in pencil holder, providing a convenient storage solution for your Surface Pen. It's a small detail, but it goes a long way in keeping your workspace organized. Adjustability is key, and the Qulose Surface Pro 8 keyboard doesn't disappoint. With its built-in kickstand, you can easily set up multiple viewing angles for optimal comfort, whether you're typing away or catching up on your favorite shows. And let's not forget about charging. The keyboard charges via Type-C cable, offering quick and convenient charging. Plus, with a rechargeable battery, you can enjoy extended usage without constantly worrying about running out of power. So there you have it, folks. The Qulose Surface Pro 8 keyboard is a versatile and feature-packed accessory that truly enhances the productivity of your Microsoft Surface device. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who values efficiency, this keyboard is sure to impress. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for more reviews and insights here on UK Pro Reviewer. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tech reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy typing!